now, our little babies. Some people think that they're weird and creepy, but I think that they are perfect and beautiful, and I love them all so much. And I've never seen a Disney version of them. Here's all of our options. I hope I get the stroller or a little rocker bed, or I like this crib. Baby! We got a little blonde baby. I don't think I have a blonde baby yet. Also, they're like squishy. Okay. OMG, we got the stroller. So here's like the little bassinet and then the wheels. Here's our baby outfit. And Pua from Moana. Oh my gosh. Look how cute. Here's the rest of the little stroller. Here's our stroller all built. Baby has her headband on. And Pua. Baby. So cute. To the next one. Uh-oh, I think this is the same baby. Aw, man. We got the same baby. It's fine. I'll just have twins, I guess. Okay, here's our two Moana babies. Our two babies.